si Fatsai, Singan Kwale. Welcome again to the Nostradamus channel. And tonight, as another episode of this vlog, we'll be talking about the Trines in Chinese or Eastern Astrology. But before we start, I would like to cleanse the air using this Tibetan bowl. Okay, so Nixters, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this vlog and all the other vlogs of this Nostradamus channel. Okay, our topic for today is the trines of Eastern astrology. Okay. When we say trines, these are animal signs that are compatible among themselves. Trines meaning three. So each animal sign has two friends. The three of them comprise the trine. Okay? So there are 4 trines in Eastern astrology because there are 12 animal signs. And if we divide the 12 animal signs into 3, that will give us 4 trines. Let's look at the first trine. The first trine is composed of the rat, the dragon, and the monkey. Okay? That is the first trine. These are masculine signs, with the exception of the rat having both feminine and masculine qualities. But basically, the 3 animal signs are masculine in nature. Okay? So these 3 are compatible among themselves. They get along well together. Okay? The next trine are the feminine signs of ox, snake, and rooster. So these 3 comprise the second group or the second trine. These are feminine in nature. Okay? The third trine, who are compatible among themselves, are again masculine signs. And these are the tiger, the horse, and the dog. These are the 3 masculine signs. And the fourth trine are back, or rather, the fourth trine is back to the feminine signs, which are rabbit, sheep, and pig. Okay? So these comprise the fourth trine, which are all feminine. Okay? So now you know them. Okay. Now, each trine has qualities that are common among them. For the rat, the dragon, and the monkey, these are the doers, these are the actors. They don't just plan, they act on it. But they act on it because they want to complete whatever has been started. The second trine, the ox, the snake, and the rooster, are those who are quite slow. They don't act immediately. It takes time for them to act. Okay? The third trine are the impulsive ones. The tiger, the horse, and the dog. They are the impulsive ones. They act, but sometimes they don't think. They just want to move. They just want to finish a task. And the last trine are those who are happy, who enjoy the moment, who want peace, who want harmony. Of course, the rabbit, the sheep, and the pig. So these comprise the fourth trine. Now perhaps we can extend the trines to the best friends of each animal sign. Let's go one by one. For the rat, the best friend is the ox.
Oh, yeah.
For the dragon, the best friend is the rooster. For the monkey, the best friend is the snake. Okay? So if you notice it, the first trine, dragon, monkey, and rat, is the best friend of the second trine, meaning the ox, the rooster, and the snake. Okay? So if we now look at the second trine, the ox, the best friend of the ox, is the rat. The best friend of the snake is the monkey, and the best friend of the rooster is the dragon. So notice, these two trines are best friends of each other. The rat is to the ox, the monkey is to the snake, and the dragon is to the rooster. Okay? Now, let's look at the third trine. The third trine is composed of the tiger, the horse, and the dog. The best friend of the tiger is the pig. The best friend of the horse is the sheep. And the best friend of the dog is the rabbit. The three best friends, which are the pig, the sheep, and the rabbit, actually is composed of the members of the fourth trine. So, again, the horse, the third trine, composed of the horse, the dog, and the tiger, is best friends, is the group composed of the best friends of the fourth trine, which are the rabbit, the sheep, and the pig. So the tiger is the best friend of the pig, the dog is the best friend of the rabbit, and the horse is the best friend of the sheep. Okay? So now you get it. So we now know the best friends. If each animal sign has a best friend, each animal sign also has a worst enemy. Meaning those animal signs that are not compatible with the animal sign. What animal signs are not compatible? Okay? For the rat, it's the horse. So the rat is not compatible with the horse. You know, the rat doesn't like the freedom that the horse wants. The dragon is not compatible with the dog. And of course, the monkey is not compatible with the tiger. So if you notice, the horse, the dog, and the tiger is the third trine. So the first trine is not compatible with the third trine. So the combination of rat, monkey, and dragon is not compatible with the combination of tiger, horse, and dog. Okay? Now let's look at the second trine, the ox, the snake, and the rooster. The ox is not a best friend. So in other words, it is not compatible, okay, with the sheep. The snake is not compatible with the pig. And the rooster is not compatible with the rabbit. So notice, the ox is against the sheep, the snake is against the pig, and the rooster is against the rabbit. So notice, that the second trine is against the fourth trine. So these are their worst enemies. Okay. So, there, I think we were able to discuss the trines, the compatibilities, and the incompatibilities. So when you meet someone, it's alright to ask their animal sign so that you will know if you can get along well together, if you can get along well with them or not. Also, you have to look at the elements. The sequence of the elements are fire, earth, metal, water, and wood. In that sequence or order. So, fire comes before earth, earth comes before metal, metal comes before water, and water comes before wood. The element recurs after 60 years. So the fire will come back after 60 years. So the fire for a particular animal will come back to the same animal after 60 years. The next 12 years will have a change in the element. So after the fire, the element next will come to that animal sign. So each animal sign will have a share in the different kinds of elements, from fire to earth to metal to water and wood. Okay? And the elements will happen or will occur every 2 years. So metal comes and stays for 2 years. Water comes again and stays for 2 years. Wood the same, fire the same, earth the same. Okay? So there for now, I hope you learned something again, Nixters. In the next vlog, we will get to talk about the animal elements. Till next, don't forget to subscribe, watch, like, and share all the videos of this channel. Light, love, and life. Namaste.